G'day folks, this is Corey Hind. I hope you're really well. We are a bunch of digital marketers who help people to rank on Google and outplay their competition on Google. I'm in Tauranga, but we serve people all around the world. So I wanted to show you very quickly how to find out if your competitors are taking your potential leads on Google. So it's important to know because, we all know that Google is where people go when they want to find something. And as a business owner, you need to know whether you're losing out on Google when in fact you want to be winning. So this is a really easy process and it only takes seconds to do. So the thing to do is you Google the thing you do plus your location. For example, let's say you're a civil works business in Auckland, building structures and little roads, all that sort of stuff. You would simply Google Civil Works Auckland and you'd see this. Okay, you'd see something like this. I'll make this a bit bigger actually. So you'd see something like this. You'd see the Google Map Pack listings up the very top of Google, and people will probably ring these guys here, and that's the end of their search. So if you're not there, that's a problem, and your competition will be taking business from you. Another one would be a roofing contractor in Wellington. So people would simply Google, as I've done there, roofing contractor Wellington. So you Google the thing plus your location, and Bayside Roofing, Element Roofing, Roof It will be getting all the phone calls. If you're a roofer in Wellington, those guys are getting 95% of the phone calls, and you are not. So that's how you find out what's going on. No, one more example, a mortgage broker in Hamilton, the mighty Waikato. So people would simply Google a mortgage broker Hamilton and they'll find these guys here. And if you're not one of those guys, you're not getting the free phone calls. So it's pretty basic. You probably do this yourself when you're looking for products and services, either on your phone or your desktop, as I've done here. And so you need to do that for your business. So go to Google and pop in the thing you do plus your location and find out, if you're not there, then you have a problem. If you are there, super, stop watching the video, get back to it. If you aren't there and you want to be, then there's really only 4 options available. Number 1 is do nothing, which that's up to you. Personally, I think you probably want to grow your business and get ahead, so do nothing is probably not a great option. Option number 2, which is what lots of people do, is they go, wow, I need to fix that map pack problem. So they learn how to do it themselves, and that's fine. We've got a YouTube channel that can tell you most of the things you need to know, and you can probably figure it out yourself. Much like anything, you can do it yourself if you want to invest the time and do it at a B grade level, you can do it yourself. The next step, the next option would be to buy our course. So we have a course that you can work through. It'll take you a couple of hours and you'll be well on the way to sorting this out yourself. And that's an entirely viable option. And then the last step is you hire either us or another agency that exclusively does Google Business Profile work to fix it for you. So they're the options. And at the end of the day, it's all about getting yourself up in that map pack listing, because we all know now that that's how people find business solutions. They just go to Google, they see those, and they click. So if you need a hand, talk to us. We've got a team. If you want to spend a tiny bit of money and do it yourself, buy our course. If you don't want to do that, jump on YouTube and figure it out yourself, but probably don't do nothing. I wouldn't advise that. Anyway, guys, that's me, Corey Hind. Have a great day, and hopefully we'll talk soon. Bye for now.